So this project is a collaboration with the University of Sussex in the UK and has gotten the support from the Simons Foundation to bring computational neuroscience to a place in the world, in northern Nigeria, where there's currently a big effort to develop scientifically the region, but contributing with computational methods, which is something that they haven't been doing recently, and it has a potential to be something very impactful because it doesn't need a lot of investment. We were there for 2 weeks, and in those 2 weeks we did like small projects, and we gave lectures to introduce them into these methods so that they start being able to do some research in this field.
So my role in this project was just being part of the faculty team coming from Barcelona. This was a very intense experience. It was very interesting, very hard at times because there was a big cultural barrier in many ways. So I started giving a couple lectures, and the feelings at the beginning were really kind of mixed. It felt like people didn't really understand or were not interested in what I was saying. But then we turned into more like hands-on projects in which we could communicate in small groups. And then everything really changed. So experiencing really the interest, the intensity, the engagement of these students to learn and to kind of make the best out of these 2 weeks was really, really amazing.
And this is something that we want to continue doing for the next 2 years. So we got this funding from the Simons Foundation to maintain this activity for 3 years. But overall, the experience was fantastic. We got good feedback from the students, and it's a very gratifying aspect of research. There are also some other activities that we plan to start alongside this course to help them gain autonomy and start developing their own research in computational neuroscience.